In this video, we see what is polynomial and some of the examples of polynomial, and also we define degree of the polynomial, and we are going to discuss whether the given expression is polynomial or not. Before that, I will explain what is polynomial. Polynomial is an expression of more than two algebraic term. This is algebraic term, this is algebraic term, and constant. So polynomial is an expression of more than two algebraic term, especially the sum of several term that contains power, constant, etc. There is another definition of polynomial also there, that is polynomial consisting of variable coefficient. Here the variable is x, and variable, the polynomial consisting of coefficient, that is polynomial consisting of variable, and polynomial consisting of coefficients. Here x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is -4, constant, and the operation addition, it consisting of operation. What are the operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Then non-negative integer expression. This is a non-negative integer exponentiation. Exponentiation is nothing but power. Here the power is 2, here the power is 1, nothing is there means the power is 1. So on the whole, polynomial is an expression consisting of variable, coefficients, that also involves operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponentiation of variable. Here the power is 2. So this is what the definition of polynomial. We will see some of the example of polynomial. Now we verify whether the given expression or polynomial or not. First one is 1 by x square plus 3x minus 4. I can rewrite the terms as 1 by x square can be written as x raised to the power minus 2 plus 3x minus 4. Now when I explaining the polynomial definition, I told that it consisting of variable, coefficient, operations, non-negative integer exponential. See, here we are having negative integer exponentiation, so this is not a polynomial. And the next example, I can write x square into x minus 1 as x square into x is x cube minus x square into 1 is x square. This is a polynomial. This is a polynomial because it containing non-negative. Here negative, so it is not polynomial. This is non-negative. Now I can multiply 1 by x with x, 1 by x with x, and 1 by x with 5, 1 by x with 5. So x will get cancelled, so 1 plus 5 by x. Again 1 plus 5, whenever the denominator comes to the numerator, whose power will be changed by its sign. So again we are consisting negative exponential. Again we are having negative. So this is not a polynomial. Not polynomial. This is not polynomial. And this is polynomial. Now we have the fourth example. 1 by x power minus 2 can be written as x power plus 2. So whenever the denominator comes in the numerator, the sign of the power will be changed. So here 1 by x raised to the power minus 1, when it comes to the numerator, it becomes x to the power 1 plus 7, which is a polynomial. Is polynomial. Now we have square root of 5 x square and square root of 3 x power 1. X means x power 1. This x is not inside the root, outside the root, plus root 2. Root 2 is constant, no problem. So this is a polynomial, provided the variable should not contain the non-negative integer exponentiation. Now we have m power 2 plus cube root of m, that is m to the power 1 by 3. Cube root can be written as m to the power 1 by 3 plus 7 power m minus 10, which is not a polynomial. Why? Because we have fraction in the power. Polynomial whose exponential should be non-negative integer. Here this is not, this is a fraction, not integer. Okay, so these are all the example. These are the problems coming under exercise 3.1 9th standard Samachir board, state board. Now we have to write the coefficient of x square and x in each of the following. Now these are the given example. 6 minus 2x square plus 3x cube minus root 7x. Here the coefficient of x square. Where is x square coefficient? Only one term, whose coefficient is minus 2 here. Where is the x term whose coefficient is, along with the minus you should write minus root 7. In the next example, coefficient of x square is pi, coefficient of x is minus, here no nothing means it is 1, it means that 1. So minus 1 is the coefficient of x here. In this equation, x square coefficient is pi, x coefficient is minus 1. Now in the next example, x square coefficient is root 3, x coefficient is root 2. Next, x square coefficient, nothing is there means it is 1, no term means it is 1. So x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is minus 7 by 2. Here x coefficient is minus 7 by 2. Here x square coefficient, no x square term, it means that 0 times x square. So no x square term means it is 0 times x square. So x square coefficient is 0, x coefficient is 1. Here we discuss the degree of the polynomial. Again, this is third problem under exercise 3.1 in 9th standard Samachir board. Here we are going to find the degree of the polynomial. Here the polynomial is 1 minus root 2 y power 2 plus y power 7. The highest power is 7. So here degree is 7. Now I have second problem. I can express this term as the x square is common to all the terms. So I can rewrite this as x cube by x square minus x power 4 by x square plus 6x power 6 by x square. After cancelling x square, I get simply x here. X square, if I cancel means 4 minus 2. So x power 2. Here x power 6, x power 2. Dividing means subtracting the power. Here 6, here 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 6x power 4. The highest power is 4. So the degree of this polynomial is 4. Degree of this polynomial is 4. Here I have x cube multiplied by x square plus x. I should multiply x cube with x square, which is x power 5. Multiplying means adding the power. 3 plus 2 plus x cube into x power 1. X cube into x is x power 4. The highest power is 5. So here the degree is 5. Degree of this polynomial is 5. Here the highest power is 6. So degree is 6. Here 2 square root of 5 p power 4 minus p power cube by root 3 plus 2 p square by 7. This is a polynomial and highest degree is 4. So highest power is 4. So the degree is 4. Okay, next problem. We are going to rewrite the polynomial in standard form. Standard form means the power should be in the descending order. First we should write the highest power first. Sorry, the question is 6x square. So we should write from the greatest power to the final term must be constant. So here the highest power is x cube. So I should write the root 7 x cube term first, then x square term next, then x term with positive sign here, and finally the constant term. This is what we rewrite the polynomial in standard form. Next problem, the highest power is 4, here 3, then next highest is 3, then 2. So it should be in the descending order. So the answer is, first I should write this term, which is minus 7 by 2 x power 4, then minus 5 x cube. Next highest power is square, that is square root of 2 x square, and x term no constant term, that's all. And finally we have y square, y cube term, constant term, y power 4 term. So first we should write y power 4 term first. That is, answer is, we are writing the polynomial in a standard form. So we should write the highest power in the first, then cube term, then square term, y term, finally the constant term.